Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you give us some details about why you decided to go solar?
Well, basically, my boyfriend was thinking about it, and he did some research on it, thing up online, and found you guys.
Fantastic. And were you the first in your area to go solar, or maybe out of your friends and family?
Yeah, nobody else in my family has solar, and as far as I know, from driving up and down my road, nobody else has solar on it as well.
Great. Do you think that in your area, because you've gone solar, that might inspire maybe your neighbors to go solar soon?
Oh, I hope, absolutely. I've spread the word myself to, a couple coworkers and such, and they said to keep them in the loop as far as, what my thoughts were and how the process worked.
Fantastic. And who was your sales manager, and how did they do helping you throughout your experience so far?
I don't remember exactly what their name was, but I do remember that there was always communication. They called me, they texted me, they even started with emails, and everything was very nice, very easy to do.
Very good. Fantastic. Well, I'm excited to see how your solar journey goes and where it takes you. And thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.